Hello, friends. How are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine. I have a great news to share with you today. Do you know what? I'm going to Chitwan National Park for a ride. It's going to be 6-7 days. At first, I will spend some time there in Chitwan National Park, and then I will go to Maulakali Temple and Saswadham this time. Okay, let's go for a ride tomorrow early in the morning. Let's go together. See you soon. Hello, good morning, friends. We have just reached Chitwan height. Look at the river, the Chitwan River. Looks so small at the moment. During monsoon time, it used to be so big. Okay. Jai 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 Chitwan Jai Chitwan. Just cross the breeze. Okay. Now we are very close to Sekhanarayan. This is one of the very popular temple on the way to Dachin Kali. It's a Lakshmi Narayan temple. Okay. Here we are in Dachin Kali temple. Jai Jai Bhagwati Mata, Jai Dachin Kali Mata. Okay, let's go from Dachin Kali temple. We have a far way to go, so let's not waste any time. Let's go. Wow, the road was completely off-road from Dachin Kali to Ramchandra Bhanjan. Now we are getting a nice road, thanks to God. La la la, what's wrong here? La, because of the flood. The road is completely destroyed. Okay, we have to go by diversion, huh? Okay, let's take this way. Yeah, all are going, huh? La la la. I am really missing my CRF bike at the moment, huh? I was not expecting this type of road at the moment. I was thinking that the road are completely fine, but it's not like that. It's already in 3 places. It's been like this, huh? Okay. Ooh, lots of twists and turns. Okay. This is called Beam Ferry. Now we are very close to Tharu, I guess. Yeah. Okay, this place is called Vaise. Okay, Narangarh. 36 kilometer, Kathmandu 176, Pokhara 64, Butwal 151, okay, Narangarh 36. Okay, here we come. Let's stay in this hotel, Unique Wild Resort. Good morning, dear friends from Chitwan. Let's go for an elephant ride. Let's see what are the things we can see there. Yeah. Thank you, my dear elephant. Here is a small tips for you. Thank you so much. Hello, time update 3 p.m. Now we are here in a small canal boat. We can see a lot of crocodiles, fish, peacock, and other things. Let's go and explore.
And then right hand side you can see the grey heron, the heron one, and on the tree there's a blackbird, that's the darter. Also the kingfisher, tiny one, very tiny, that's the common kingfisher. We have 9 different types of, this is a very small tiny one. And again left hand side the dog, masmugger, and the river lapwing, the bird. Yeah, the small one, the river lapwings. River? River lapwing. Peahen. Not only 3, there's quite more.
Wow, wow, wow. Can you see there? 3 peacocks are dancing. Wow.
Again, the small tiny bird is walking on a small rock there. That's the wagtail. Wagtail. White wagtail. We have 3 major rivers here. That's called Rapti, Narvani, and River River. And this river is famous for the most of the crocodile. 2 types of crocodile. One is called a masmugger and another called a gharial. Gharial, they eat only fish.
Yeah,
The fish is the long snout one. Long snout one, the gharial, crocodile. And that one crocodile only eat fish.
Okay.
But other one called a masmugger.
Okay.
We call them crocodile, but not alligator. That one crocodile eat anything what you get found. And inside this river, there's 120 different types of fish in here.
That one is different.
Yeah, 120 different types.
I think I seen a catfish.
Oh yeah, we have the catfish, eelfish, moorfish, also jelly. And you try to see right hand side the crocodile there. That's the masmugger.
Good morning, friends. Today is a special day. Today we are going for a jungle safari in a jeep. I think it is going to be very nice day. Wow, can you see a rhino? Wow, wow, wow. Wow, so many deers together, huh? They are grazing. It's evening time and they are grazing. Yeah, so many. More than 20. Oh, more are coming. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, big horns. Yeah. Small, yeah. Good morning from Chitwan. Let's go for a morning walk. Today we are exploring deep into the forest by walking. I have a special guide to go with me. Okay, the elephant in front of me is a very special elephant. Generally, the elephant give birth to one elephant at a time, but this is the twins elephant. This is Ram, and its brother Lakshman is out at the moment, but Ram is taking a bath. Look at that. Do you know what? One surprising thing. This Ram elephant, this twins, it is there in our Nepali currency rupees, 1,000 rupees, and this is Ram, okay, taking a bath. So obedient, so obedient. Okay, bathing is over. Okay, let's go home now. Wow. During that time, their birth time, so many people from around the world came to take a picture because twins elephant is very, very rare. Shh. This is tiger's footprint. Wow, my goodness. I'm afraid, huh? More than the road. Let's look at the herbs. Scary, scary. Good morning again from Chitwan. Today's plan is to go Maula Kali temple, but let's do a small sidewalk. Very nice flower. Now we are here in Maula Kali temple, and this is the cable car. Okay, let's go inside the cable car. Ah, nice. The distance of the cable car is just 5 minutes, I guess. There in the distance stop, that's it. Temple. Sannyas Ashram. Good morning from Chitwan. Today is the 6th day. Let's go for a morning walk. Wow, such a nice sunrise. Okay, here we are in the gate of Saswadhan. Let's go inside. Looks so nice. Oh my god. From this point I'm not allowed to take a boat here. Good morning, my friends. Today is the final day to be together. Time update, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. So let's go back home, Kathmandu. Okay, let's go. So finally, here we are. We are in the Mughling Chowk. If we go straight, we will reach to Pokhara, but we have to go this way to go to Kathmandu. Okay, Jai Mankamana Mai Ki Jai. We are very close to Kurinta. Jai Jai Mankamana Mata. Now, I'm very close to Kathmandu. I think within 2 hours I will reach Kathmandu from here now. Okay. Okay, we just entered Kathmandu Valley. Jai Pashupatinath Baba ki Jai. Okay, we had a very nice journey, successful journey. Okay friends, we have a very nice time together. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have liked, please like and subscribe. See you next time in the next vlog. Have a good time. Take care. Bye.